And again, it's about 45 seconds when we see the movement forward. Flashes are late going over. Crystal loses a lot of health on the early push. Stand inside of Molly here. Madden gets taken down, but he's managed to do so much damage in the interim and Idis balance in a 1v4. He's not looking good. Nade's not quite as deep as you'd want, but it does make him decide, I don't want anything to do with this. They realize where he is. Come on, man. This guy is nuts. He's in so many quick scopes.
I have fire alarm my building. Wait.
Oh boy.
Okay, it stopped. Okay, it stopped. Wait. Fuck me!
Yeah. Don't see anything.
They need to push something, just chill. Maybe green take B.
Yeah, I'm watching T-spawn.
Dead mid.
I'm holding your short, careful short, Eddie, careful short.
One is tacked on A side.
Corner dead.
Nice,
One side.
I'm coming long.
Kitty dead.
That was
Good job.
That's good.
Fuck!
Fuck! Let's fucking go.
Let's go!
Nice, boxer.
Thank you.
It's the early warning system.
And he can get Jax. There's nothing Hunter can do other than try and hold the line. Olof's taking the jewel, does good damage. And now next, unchecked, but Brokey with the reaction shot. He's got another. He's keeping FaZe in this.
That's huge from Brokey. He is having one hell of a performance so far. Is it enough, though? Need to get that bomb down if possible. Olof, very low HP indeed. Same story for Brokey as well. They hold towards the window room, and the bomb will be planted. So, FaZe have managed to run their way back into this one. A freebie for Olof Meister, and that's going to be one of the orbs removed now. Kenny S towards CPL.
Yeah, now Olof doesn't need to do anything other than just hold this passive. He can sit there and just wait. In fact, he'll do it with the orb even better. Let's Hunter in. Doesn't want to contest too early. You can play from CT should he need to with that AW.
Jungle.
Nice. How do you hit with this crosshair, Mr. Richard?
You don't like it?
Fucking large.
I have the smallest in my team, I think.
What the fuck?
Wait, what?
What about the
crosshair then?
Yeah, what about crosshair then?
Medium 1.6. Yeah, we shouldn't talk about the crosshair, that's the smallest. Playing ticket again.
It's not about the size, it's about the technique.
Yeah,
that's true.
That's
It's how you use it.
Get up, Snooki.
Mid clear.
Yeah.
I'll stay B.
Up ramp.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's coming toward. It's in a position now where if this gun round, if this force buy, I guess is a better way to describe it, for contact doesn't work out, then very likely we're seeing map and series point at that den for Movistar Riders before we actually have guns again available for contact. So certainly not a good spot to be in. Again, Movistar Riders, they don't want to let go of W. Alex is just like, screw this, I'm out B. I'll see you later, boys.
Oh, no.
Meet me on the bomb site if you want. He's actually just sold the entire fake. He's somehow got everyone on B just on his own by running out with a Mac 10.
I don't believe it. Emmy's arriving back on the A site, and he spots them. It's just too late, because they're already planting the damn bomb. Oh, God. Just the one max 10. Sells the fake on B. Contact full for it. Hook, line, and sinker. And they're saving. They're out of this round. Movistar are just outclassed.
Nothing top middle, guys. Fully clear.
Double name.
Ah! I can flash for you. Flash across wall.
I'm just staying alive. I have a smoke for the Molotov. Just make sure they don't push me. Ah, yeah!
I'm flashing.
Pit one. Pit last.
Their weapons, they do spend a bit getting out M4s onto ships in Esperanto, I believe it was, but then you still have an MP9 on letting you FAMAS on auto, and they also don't have enough money to rebuy in the next round if it was needed. So this round is so important for them right now, and again, Movistar Riders, with the confidence that they've been feeling so far, they are just taking it straight to the CTs. Alex and Steel with kills pretty much in sync right there. Managed to quickly bring it to a 4-on-2, and it just keeps getting extended in favor of Movistar Riders. That bomb Should go down. They're taking their time in case ships is nearby.
Messed it up early.
One low on A side.
This guy.
Nej, du døde til bunden. Jeg kom min nu der.
How is the bot going to
It works quite well because again, one of the things that
Does
Double
it,
Up lets
though?
you do, not when you shoot your teammates, not when you shoot your teammates. Reality.
Top fragger, nonetheless.
What is that? Okay.
He was
Well,
blind. Pulled the
Problems.
trigger.
Yeah, apparently. Should have given him a rifle. Wouldn't have been a kill. Well, the more you learn. He's now going to have the unenviable position of trying to solo hold this. That's quite a turnaround. Right as I'm trying to talk about why the double up is effective on this map, really what it lets you do is it lets you be more fluid in the rotating for the remaining 3 players. Reality has gotten a pick here. They're going to drop utility to try and dig him off. He's got this little ledge to play with, and they're not really able to get rid of him just yet. He knows where the player's coming from. He's waiting for the swing. They line up! Reality! 4 kills in the round.
That's
the ace
why.
if you count Neptune. He's got 5 in total and a 7.
Ah, triple.
Fucking insane.
Play game. Wait, Ocean.
Wait. Throw a smoke at him. Throw a smoke at him.
Reloading.
He has an M4 now.
This guy forgot about
I'm fucking done. Where the fuck did that guy think he got an M4?
Can you stop him? Can you flash? Can you mola short? Can you mola short? Mola short? Mola short? Yeah, mola short. Don't fight. I will knife him after the molo, guys. He's coming to you. Fuck, man. This molo fucked me, really. Okay, I will knife.